Google Books is paying me $20 after every single 30 minutes, which is around $960 per day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can do it exactly the same just by investing 20 minutes of total work. Right now, this method is really low-key and underrated. Many people are already doing it and making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. Nothing fancy. So in this video, I'll be breaking down step by step how I do, and you can do exactly the same too. Simply go to Google and search for a Google Books partner. You'll see this link here called Google Play Books Partner Center. Open the first link and you'll see something like this here. Now the reason for not choosing some other platforms like Amazon Kindle or other is because they are insanely saturated, and a lot of sellers are there for competition and chance there is very low. Whereas in Google Books, they are willing to promote your product in a way that you get response easily and fast, as well as with no competition. It has access to 75 plus countries in the world, as well as 3 billion plus people registered. It is the exact competitor of all the best platforms out there. Yes, this is not a sponsored video, it's all what I do exactly. Now simply register to Google Books to get started. You'll see your email right here, publisher type. I'm going to choose the self-published author option while you can choose something according to you. Now continue with writing your name here in the box. Select the country you're in, whether it's the USA or whatever. Now write down your phone number and hit the next button. Again, don't check the boxes here, no need for that. Just make sure you're not the robot and continue. These 3 steps are the important ones, so don't miss out and fill out the important information here. Now, the base is ready, we need to continue with making our ebook. Better to have a trending topic for your book. And to find trending topics, simply head to the website called Google Trends and click here on Trending Now. You can choose any topic you want to and even can filter out things like country trends, hourly trends, etc. Just for your understanding, I'm choosing the Olympics 2024 topic so you can easily know how to make an ebook in no time. Now head to the ChatGPT 4. Click here on Explore GPTs and search for eBooks, and click this option here. It is a really helpful tool I'm using to create ebooks already. It's efficient and already trained for this thing. For example, I'm going to ask to write for me an ebook of 20 pages explaining Olympics 2024 for understanding of age 50 plus. Now I'll hit the generate button and ChatGPT will generate an outline of the book and content of tables. It will provide me with all the chapters that are going to be in this ebook, as well as the topics in each single chapter. This will help me understand what actually my book is about, and after reading or checking out, I can command ChatGPT to continue. You can also change something if you want by asking ChatGPT. I like the outline by ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will start writing your ebook in a very creative way that you will be amazed after looking into it. Wait for a few seconds and here you go. Now, after a few chapters, it'll automatically stop, so don't worry about it. Simply ask or give permission to continue doing it. Do this again and again until it completes writing all the content. Now, if you think the content is too small or too big or not suitable, just simply give the command of that chapter or topic, and it'll do the changes on your command. After finalizing this all, simply ask ChatGPT to provide you with the book exported in a PDF format. It may not work for many of you because the content is too much or anything else, so simply copy all the stuff for the book and paste into Google Docs here. You may need to correct the spacing sometimes, so take 2 minutes and do it. Write the title of your book here to name the document, and now simply go to the file, then download and choose the PDF format to download. Your book is actually ready to be published, but there is something we still need to work on. Head to the website called Sejda to upload the file we just created. From here, you will be able to edit anything on your PDF. We need to write a disclaimer at the end of your PDF, which I'll generate from ChatGPT by asking, write a simple and precise disclaimer stating that the book was created with AI, and now we'll copy that disclaimer from here and we'll paste at the bottom of our PDF. Now simply apply the changes and download the final PDF from here. See? Very simple. Now everything is ready except the cover of my ebook. You can use any option you want. I'm asking the ChatGPT to generate a good book cover for me. I can even ask to generate as much as I want until I'm satisfied. I liked this one, so let's finalize it and move forward to publish this. Now, to publish our book, let's head to Google Books and do the important work. You need to make an account, publish your book, promote it, and then simply start earning. I'll come back to point number 3. But before that, you need to understand that you'll only take 70% of the revenue, and the rest of the 30% will be split with Google. Now, as soon as you publish your book, anyone from 3 billion active users can search for a similar topic and can buy your book, which can generate some amount into your account. But in my case, this case can take very long, so I have an effective scheme that can help you promote your book and earn more and more. Simply head to this website, seowriting.ai. Now, this method is called one-click blog post. This will generate a good yet effective blog post, which later people can click and will help you promote your book through this. Just follow my simple guide. Simply paste your title of the book here, generate a title, scroll down and choose the article size to extra small. Choose the language, obviously, leave these as it is and choose the AI model. Now choose your targeted country, mine is the US. You can choose yours according to where you want your book to be published, or if you don't want to choose any, just simply leave it as it is. Now here is the language understanding for our book. I'm choosing 6th grade conversational language so they could know it's easy to understand for everyone. Nothing fancy. Again, scroll down and click here to generate AI tags for SEO. I'm leaving the rest of the options as it is, but you can change according to what you need. In my case, this is best. Now your blog post is ready, simply click Run and boom. It really looks very solid and professional. Now let's publish it on medium.com and just make a free account. Now copy your title from the blog post and paste it here in the title section. Then copy all the text from the blog post and paste it here. Do the changes if required, and you're all done. This was the simple yet a bit longer way to maximize your earnings by publishing ebooks online. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and like our video. A good comment would be appreciable as well. Thanks for watching.